Tutorial River will show you how to download and install the Roblox Studio on your computer. To download the Roblox Studio, open the roblox.com and log into your account here. Now select Create. And once you are in this page, you will get this option here, Start Creating. So you have to click on that. And click on Download Studio. And the Roblox Studio installer will be downloaded. Once it's downloaded, click on it. Run. And the Roblox Studio will install on your computer and it may take some time. And once it's installed, you will be able to create your own game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Tutorial River. See you in the next video.